Welcome to We're Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of September 18th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is elephants. Listen to My Trumpet, an Elephant and Piggy book by Willems. Gerald! Sit, sit, sit! Do not move! I have a trumpet! Do you want to listen to my trumpet?
Yes, please.
Here I go! Blurk! Wait, that was not right.
Not right at all.
Blop! Brip! 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 That is better.
Better?
Drink! Clack! Grab! Drop!
Yikes! That is not music.
Crick!
Piggy sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold.
Sprack, drack, twack, slack, quack, glack. And now the big finish. Blark, glark, quark, blap, zap, blap, blog. Quark, slark, smark.
Finished?
Finished. So, what do you think of my trumpet?
Your trumpet is...
Yes.
Go
on.
Your trumpet is loud.
And
Your trumpet is shiny.
And
You, hold your trumpet very well.
And I'm waiting.
Piggy, you are my friend, and I am your friend. So I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud and shiny, and you hold it well, but that was not music. Sorry.
Gerald, you think I'm trying to make music? I am trying to speak elephant. I want to sound like you.
Oh, but Piggy, your accent needs work. I will teach you.
Yay!
Try more ick in your grick.
Crick! The end. Well, we can't exactly make a trumpet, but we're going to make something else, a cardboard kazoo. Your Craft-to-Go kit will have in it a cardboard roll, and you'll see it has 2 holes in it, parchment paper, and a rubber band. We're going to put this together so that when you hum into it, it makes a cool sound. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate the cardboard container. So I'm just going to take and I'm using markers, and I'm just going to decorate it. I think I'm going to make a rainbow kazoo. I'm going to start with my red, and I'm going to work on my way down to purple. Okay, so it looks like I've gotten this all colored. So I'll just put my markers away. the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the parchment paper over top of one end of the kazoo. So I'm putting it on this end. We have a rubber band. Probably be able to wrap it twice. You want to make sure it's nice and firm, kind of like a little drum. And all you want to do is just hum into it. And use your fingers to cover the holes. So you can hear the little humming sound. So that's our little paper kazoo, our cardboard kazoo. Sorry. That's all you do.